Made possible by brainybuyer.com and viewers who subscribe. We test, chart, and compare so your wallet wins. Want more no-nonsense reviews? Smash subscribe to keep them coming. Hey, I'm looking at the Nexgrill Deluxe 2-burner gas grill. It's got a 401 square in cooking area and 28,000 BTUs. What do you think?
Sounds decent for a small family. I was actually checking out the Nexgrill Instant Read digital thermometer. Totally different, obviously.
Yeah, vastly different. So, the grill, it's got porcelain-coated cast iron grates, which are supposed to be good for even heat, and an electric ignition, which is always nice.
The thermometer has a stainless steel probe, which sounds durable. And it reads from minus 58 degrees Fahrenheit to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. Seems like a wide range, and it folds for easy storage.
The grill has foldable side tables, which is a must for saving space, and it can also be converted to natural gas. That's a cool feature. It's pretty big at 42.52 inches wide.
The thermometer is super compact, only 6.06 inches long. It also has a backlit display, which is handy for grilling at night.
Good point. I always struggle to see the temperature in the dark. The grill has a built-in thermometer, but I guess an instant read one is more accurate?
Probably. The reviews on the thermometer aren't great though, only 3.2 stars. People seem to like the grill more. It has 4.3 stars and over 300 reviews.
That's good to know. It also has wheels, making it easy to move around. The grill is heavier though, about 70 pounds.
The thermometer only weighs 5.3 ounces, a lot easier to handle. It also has a hold function, which I always find useful.
The grill has a warming rack. That's great for keeping things warm while other stuff cooks. And it's on sale for around $265.
The thermometer is only around $15. A must-have accessory if you get the grill.
True. Well, the grill sounds like a good option for smaller spaces. And the thermometer seems useful, even if the reviews are mixed. I think I'll research the thermometer a bit more. Thanks.
Sure thing. Happy grilling.
Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.